Babalik tayo dito sa ating venue sa lungsod ng San Juan. Laban ng Arellano kontra JRU Martin Javier along with Coach Jerry Codeniera with Kayla Afable as our courtside reporter today. After the first 10 minutes of action, Coach Jerry, JRU abante. Pero na first quarter natin, nakita natin, palitan lang tayo ng lamang pero takbuhan tayo all throughout.
Yes, most likely ganito mangyayari dyan at sa mga darating na quarter kasi makita mo yung ano nila yung style of play halos hindi nakakalayo eh. If there's an opportunity to run, ball run. Pagka wala, attack, send and play.
Yeah.
But saan makaka-difference siya? Possessions, yung errors, yan, turnovers, yan, at saka rebounding. Yan, dyan makaka-difference siya.
Coach, kung ikaw ang nagmamando dito as Valencia misfires from the outside, do you want more half-court plays? Do you want more set of plays on the half-court dito sa ating second quarter? Gusto mo bang bagalan yung laro ng konti?
Hindi na kasi you train the players to run at full speed eh. So mahirap talaga kontrolin yung mga bata. Siguro selective lang. You have to teach them how to read the game sa situation. Ayan, tsaka time and score. Babalik ka pa rin doon. Gano'n ba kalaki lamang score, oras, shot lang.
Doon lalabas yung diskarte ng mga manlalaro natin, lalo yung mga point guard na coach. How they will control the tempo.
Baka naman, ikaw na lang ang malakas na stage. Ako din, diba?
Pwede rin, pwede. Pero maganda yung palitan ng tao ng dalawang coaches natin.
Maganda pasok ng mga coaches.
Ito si Abiera, Renzo Abiera back in the ball game. Fire starter for Arellano in the first few minutes of the game. Here he is. Near the three-pointer. Got a three-point play. Afterwards, Geronimo for three. Masyado malakas. Rebound is collected by Ferrer. Argente with a forward pass. And we've seen that happen quite a bit to JRU, coach. Yung mga forward pass na yon na nai-intercept, natatapik nitong Arellano.
Masyadong malayo yun. Aabutan talaga.
That sequence, you gotta make better reads. Argente. Diab. Wala. Xander Estacio takes it from Sarmiento. Geronimo, pull-up jumper. Wala.
Masyadong premature yun. Yung atake niya na yun. Ni Geronimo.
Di umikot, coach.
Oo.
Joshua Giab. Sean Argente. Ferrer. Raimundo. Comes up short. Raimundo exploded in that first quarter with a total of 12 points.
Medyo naghalo na yung gigil at saka yung nagmamadali eh.
Parehong team na, coach, nabibitawan ng bola, nagto-turnover dito sa panimula ng ating second quarter. So, they're hoping that the dust will settle.
Kaya pinasok si Kamay para to put some order doon sa atake nila. Masyado nagmamadali lahat eh.
Joshua Giab left with enough space to operate that time. Xander Estacio.
Smart move kay Giab ito. Alam niya, hindi naman makakatalon si Giab na mataas eh. Kumuha na lang ng foul.
Na-delay dun yung depensa nito ni Estacio. He was caught up, I think, in the screen sequence right behind him. Tapos may espasyo na si Giab dun. Yun ang inatake nito ni Joshua Giab. And Joshua Giab knocks down the first free throw. Only his third point of the game, but you know, that's been his persona and character here in the NCAA. Kung nagsashine ng teammates niya, I'll let them be.
Yeah, another leader by example.
Yeah. At siya rin yung kapitan nitong very young JRU team na to. So, he has another free throw coming up after that violation. 28-23 is our tally. Giab was stopped against San Beda, only 6 points and 5 boards. Still a miss on the third attempt. Yuan Kamay now. Siya ang magmamando ng opensa ng Arellano. Kamay gets it to Hernal. Hernal faces up. Hernal pinag-iisipan ng diskarte. He will attack and he will scoop it and miss. Sarmiento gets it to Raimundo. Ito na si Sean. Oh, basang-basa ang pasa. That's a dangerous pass. Kamay is fouled by Sarmiento. They'll review this one. Let's see if there's gonna be an upgrade.
It's just another duty foul.
Yeah.
I think baka yan ang maganda sa good pressure eh. You know, hindi mo makuha sa first 2-3 passes. Sa bandang dulo, kahit pa paano magkakaroon ng, bad pass, rotation, mga lapses. Okay,
Coach. Kanina no first quarter natin, a few players went down for JRU. Let's hear an update via our courtside reporter. Nandito ulit si Kayla Afable. Kayla, what's your update?
It is definitely concerning to see 3 Bombers down during the first quarter, but I have an update for you on their status. Let's start with Jonathan Medina. He's back on the court now, but earlier he told me that no prior injury, but his landing was pretty bad. That's why his pain was on a scale of 1 to 10. His pain was at a 7, but it seems that he is back and ready for the team. Now for Ivan Panapanaan, I was not able to speak with him directly, but he looked eager to come back out to the court as soon as possible, and that's why he is ready to show up again for the team. Now for Justin Lozano, who is also back at the bench for the Bombers, he told me that he also has no prior injury with his ankle, but on a scale of 1 to 10, he rated it an 8. But it seems that he is also eager to get back on the court, just like the 2 of his other brothers. So let's see if they're able to deliver today. Back to you, Martin and Coach Jerry.
Kayla, thank you so much for the injury update on JRU's side. And it's good that these 3 players are able to get back here in this game. Oh, ito yung tinawag na foul dito kay Sarmiento.
Sometimes, Martin, ang hirap anuhan yun eh. Kasi makita mo naman, papaulin lang naman eh.
Okay, Coach. The Chiefs, struggling from the field in the last 4 minutes. That's their first field goal in a span of 4 minutes, Coach. That was an extended dry spell for the Chiefs. So Ivan Panapana and Jonathan Medina both back on the floor as Kayla reported earlier.
Si Binoya, daming nagagawa para sa team. Nakakahasil. Tapos unpredictable yung mga tira niya.
Yeah. Yuan Kamay scoops it to the hoop. And Arellano is back in front. The Chiefs are off to a better start here in the second quarter. Cross-court pass. MJ Raimundo. Raimundo off the bump. Oh, basket is good para kay Raimundo. May kasama pang foul.
Ano, matinding weapon sa kanya yung pag shoulder pick niya, biglang quick release. Hindi mahuli-huli ng big man eh.
Ito muna, Coach. Mavi Binoya training it from the outside. Ito naman yung crossover tsaka atake ni Yuan Kamay, Coach. Pero si Raimundo, yun yung sinasabi mo. Kaunting separation. Pagkatapos ng bump, nilusot niya na kagad.
Good finisher.
Yeah.
Nakita may release niya. Sure ball na siya.
15 points in the first half for MJ Raimundo. Breakout performance for him. Kamay again! Having his way against the defense of JRU.
Oo. Nakita nakakita niya, tinetesting niya yung depensa ni Argente dito. Hindi niya lang...
Sean counters right back.
Bumawi. Coach alam mo wala akong depensa. O, shoot ang 3 points.
Kanya mas marami pa. 3 puntos ang naipasok ni Sean Argente. And they're back in front by 3.
Dahil together we own the future. This is our league, this is our moment. Sa puso mo.
Almost a steal. Actually, he completes the steal. Paeng Are, bumitin sa ere. Paeng Are. Wow!
And one.
May deflection dito mula kay Are.
Sino si Mark Arvin San Jose? Wow! Talagang may patarp siya dito mula sa mga kids ng JRU. Ayan, fan cam tayo dito. Ayan, mga gusto natin. May pa-Artolina. Diba? May streamers dito. Ayan, fans from Arellano University. This is a fantastic crowd that we have here inside Philoil on a Wednesday. Yuan Kamay, 2 straight drives for Arellano. Ito yung huli, pero si Argente, naisahan mo ako doon. Ito, mas maraming puntos ang ibabawi ko sa kabila.
Deadly yan. Hindi nila nakikita si Argente sa mga games. Nako, mag-isip ka ng 2 beses pag iniwan mo yan.
Coach, how impressed are you with MJ Raimundo dito sa ating first half? 15 puntos na.
Another De Los Santos ito.
Di ba, pwede?
Na bata, oo, matigas. Tsaka hindi takot sa bola, hindi nagtatago. Oo. Taka yung pressure niya, steady. Hindi siya kamong nag-hold back.
Yeah.
Oo, nandun parate.
Samahan mo na nung produksyon nito ni Sean Argente with 7 points. Still perfect from the field, hasn't missed. Kaya JRU ang kabante ngayon, 34-31.
Alam mo naman siyempre, Martin, with Coach Glenn Capasio, tatanggalin niya yung mga bad habits mo. Mga gulang, yan.
Yan ang tuturo. Abiera flips it up. And he goes to the line for 2. Ito si Renzo Abiera, who has been silent since his return. Ito si Coach Capasio alongside Coach De La Cuesta right beside him.
Defensive player lahat dyan. Itong Abiera, he started well. First 6 points kanya, di ba?
That's right.
So medyo nag-relax lang. Pero babalik at babalik ito.
Kanya yung, tama ka Coach, unang 6 na puntos ng Arellano nang galing dito kay Abiera. But since that production, ito yung kanyang unang mga puntos.
Yes.
That bounces in.
Yan ang ito yung mga closer ni Coach.
Lozano is back in the game after pickpocket by Abiera. And he will wait wisely for his teammates. Hernal against Giab. Bounce pass. Kamay. Napakagat yung kalaban niya. Yuan Kamay has been getting to the paint at will dito sa second quarter. Giab lost the ball. And it is back with Arellano. Valencia with a nice move inside. Valencia now with 8. Ito yung galaw kanina. Bounce pass sa loob. This time, off-ball movement ni Yuan Kamay doon. Pero ito, pass ni Valencia going around Joshua Giab to get that basket.
Si Kamay, hindi ganun kahaba playing time niya last year. Ibang-iba na ang laro niya ngayon. Ang layo.
So, yeah. Last year, parang, siyempre, kaunti pa yung minuto niya. Barrera misses. So, parang nakuha na niya yung groove niya sa NCAA basketball. Barrera. Uy, ipinasa pa sa ilalim ni Benitez.
Panira na, sabi ni Coach. Louie. Ano na yan?
That's a
Point
case
lang.
of, oh, yeah.
Point lang. Range.
That's a case of being too unselfish
Oo.
for Lance Benitez. And now Arellano is back with the basketball. Yuan Gamay, who has dealt damage here in the second frame. Oh, JL! Kapulong!
Pandiinan na si Kapulong. Ayan na.
Barrera off the dribble. Barrera knocks it down.
Smart move. Ba't niya pipilitin revive? Nakaabang si Kapulong sa ilalim.
Bago yun, coach. 8-0 run ng Arellano, ended by the basket of Barrera. Valencia attacks. Valencia scores!
Big time move. Valencia talaga. Effortless pag lumusot.
Yeah.
O, hindi pilit, hindi porsado.
10 points for Basti Valencia. First guy in double figures for the Chiefs. Panapanaan. Oh, erased by Hernal. Hernal here. Valencia. Arellano with a 5-point advantage. Gumagano yung mga atake nila, but Gamay uncorks and misses from way out. And that's a foul on Renzo Abiera. Look at this. Gamay setting up Kapulong that time. Eto, si Mark Barrera off one dribble, pull-up jumper. Suabing-suabe. But in this sequence, again, Basti Valencia.
Parang Bong Quinto. Naalala mo
Bong
yun,
Quinto,
diba?
oo.
Slow but sure na makita mo yung body lagi. Hindi ka makakaagaw. Matibay ba?
Tama.
Oo.
Oo nga, sa galaw na yun, naalala ko si Bong Quinto nga, coach.
Post player,
Yeah.
may laro sa wing.
Halos parehas din yan ng height. Okay. So, they'll call the foul here. We'll see if there's going to be an upgrade.
Malamang ito. Upgrade to.
Oh, yeah.
Oo.
There's an upgrade.
Oo.
Kasi intentional foul, coach.
Kaya dapat pag foul ka, dapat i-orient din ng mga players sa ganyan eh.
Kapag ka gano'n, kung gusto mo mag-duty foul, coach, dapat ipapakita mo na going for the basketball ka pa rin.
Yeah, bola pa rin.
For contact with an opponent and not
That's the
legitimately
big change
attempting to
a few years
directly
ago.
play the ball.
In the FIBA rules, yung intentional foul na yan.
Timeout JRU Heavy Bombers.
Okay, timeout muna. Para sa JRU, they're down by 5. Afterwards, 2 free throws and a possession for them.
The sky is the limit. Tara na, masama-sama. Dahil together, we own the future. This is our league. This is our moment. Sa puso mo, the sky is the limit. Tara na, masama-sama. Dahil together, we own the future. Kaya natin ni, kaya natin ni. Kabailan tayo na ito'y kaya natin ini. Kaya natin ni, kaya natin.
Okay. Second time na nangyari sa ating laban. Ito, intentional foul o yung tinatawag na duty foul, coach, to prevent the offensive player. Okay, if you want to do that, kailangan you're making a play for the basketball pa rin, Coach Jerry. You're going after the basketball. Otherwise, it's gonna look like an intentional foul, which is called for unsportsmanlike based on the FIBA rules.
Ray Miller.
Kailangan aware ang mga players dyan
for the Chiefs.
pagdating sa foul.
Ito, Coach, naalala ko
For Sean Argente.
yung World Cup, bago yung World Cup na naganap sa Pilipinas, yung sa China ginanap. Hindi, Team USA, hindi sila masyado naka-adjust doon. So, late game situation, sanay kasi sila sa intentional foul. So, hindi pa adjusted sa FIBA rules. That was very costly for them kasi nagulat sila na upgrade into an unsportsmanlike foul. Resulted to 2 free throws for their opponents in that game.
Lalo na close game ngayon. Naku, lahat ng free throws very important.
Yeah.
Pero bihira ito si Argente ha, nag-miss.
Oo nga.
Bihira niya.
14
Wow.
seconds
So
on the
just
shot
1 out of 2. Ang crew chief natin ngayon, FIBA International Referee Kenny Regino. Ayan po, number 2. So So Sean Argente will handle the basketball. Argente will force it. Little too much that time. So empty trip for JRU. Eto na. Si Dre Miller.
Naka-3-guard attack si Coach Chico.
Yeah. Tulong. No.
Alanganin yung banda ni JL doon. Oo. Hindi niya ginamit ang banda. Parang ring lang. Diretso eh.
Usually shoot yun, coach eh.
Oo.
Pero yun nga, kamali siya sa angulo. Meantime, let's check this one out. Usually ilalagay na lang niya.
Oo.
Ito, battle for the rebound.
Coming in for Mark
Goes
Miller.
back to, dalawa kasing Arellano yung nagkagawan doon. So it goes back to JRU. MJ Raimundo, the hero of the first half for the Heavy Bombers. Panapanaan. They go to Sean here. Benitez. Benitez attacking Kapulong. One more time. Ito na. Gumana na para kay Lance Benitez.
Yan. Sipag talaga yan. Alam niya, bahala na rin yung tira eh. Pero sa sipag, nakakuha ni Benitez.
Drop off here. Kapulong. Kapulong scores! And the foul!
Lawrence Capulong.
JL Kapulong is not yet done in the first half. Ito yung sequence natin. Yeah, Benitez got it back, put it back in. And on the other side, off the penetration by Dre Miller. Leaves it for his big guy. Tatlo yung tumao kay JL Kapulong.
Talagang pag nabalikat ka din, parang nasa ka na ng
Ito yung big guy na talagang marunong gumamit ng katawan, coach.
It's a must.
Yeah.
Pag nagbigay ka, kailangan meron kang inside move. Siguro option na lang yun kung nakaka 3 points ka. Iba yung may pinupuntahan yung team eh. Sa poste, di ba? It's a constant threat.
And with the completion, 8 puntos na para kay Kapulong. Argente, kabong! 11 points for Sean here in the first half.
Parang release ng train. Dire-diretso. Ang ganda ng release, yung form, perfect form.
Miller misses. Sean, panapanaan, sends it out. Pangilinan all day. Got it! 2 straight triples for JRU. And they're back in front, 45-44 in our 10th lead change in the first half. Abiero with the left. Not gonna work. Raimundo collects the board. Forward pass, Pangilinan. I-check sana. Raimundo. Count it! And the foul for MJ Raimundo, who now has 17 points. Argente started the 3-point party. And then Pangilinan joining the barrage. MJ Raimundo adding on to his total for a 3-point play opportunity for a total of 8 unanswered points for JRU. The latter part of the second frame, Raimundo will have a chance to add on to this.
Solid na bata, isang grip. Tsaka magaling sa kaliwa.
Raimundo connects. Now a 9-0 run for JRU.
Yan ang mahirap. Tumama na yung mga deadly shooters ng JRU. So, it's a matter of kompleto. Itong ganda itong laban natin.
Tsaka 18 na. Ito si Raimundo. Kapulong!
So, mag-aasala naman. JL. I mean, dapat itong JRU dito. They have to send some double team. Baka pwedeng i-front nila si JL. Paulit-ulit yung atake niya eh.
You know, weight room move para kay Lawrence Kapulong, who is now up to 10 points in the game.
Sigurado, iinom ng gamot yung bantay ni JL Barria.
Masakit ang katawan.
Oo,
Painkiller.
Painkiller.
Kasi kanina pa niya,
Oo.
inaatake.
Oo.
And JL Capulong goes to the line here for a bonus.
Hindi pa nagwe-weights yan.
Di pa nag-wait.
Oo, pag nag-weights.
Coach,
Alright.
pansin ko rin walang lumalayo sa mga teams natin. Oh. Misfires on the free throw. Misses. About a 5-second difference between the game and the shot clock. Raimundo drives. Kamay gets it. Kamay with the bounce. D-Man pass underneath and Binoya scores. All tied up at 48. One final shot for JRU. 2.2 left. A chance for JRU to break the tie in the next possession. Pangilinan is the trigger man. Argente fouled. Wow! Both teams in the bonus already, so this will mean 2 shots for Sean Argente. But how about this? T-Mac finding Binoya underneath on the break.
Free throws for Sean Argente.
Nakakahinayang to para sa Arellano. Kasi naitabla mo na, coach.
Oo.
Kasi si Argente pa yung final.
Very streaky yung laban.
Pero coach, ito yung napansin mo kanina, nagmiminte si Sean Argente sa free throw line.
Oo nga. For a shooter, bibira talaga yan eh.
1 out of 3 so far. So he splits the bonus. Capulong with a baseball pass. With 0.2 of a second remaining. Kevin Love outlet yun pero wala nga lang
Medyo
nalapagan.
curveball lang sa baseball.
Geronimo denies that heave, and that's how we will end. An exciting first 2 quarters here inside the Philroy Oil Center. JRU with a hairline of a lead, 49-48 against the Arellano Chiefs. Pagbalik po natin, we'll tell you all about the first half by the numbers and through our highlights as well. At magpo-perform din ang dalawang cheerleading squads from both schools. At pong yan sa pagbabalik ng NCAA Season 100 on Heart of Asia.
Board pressure, which kilala talaga itong team.